Hi guys, so I wanted to come on here because I've been doing an experiment since August. I bought a pack of hot dog buns back August. Let's show you. August, best if used by August 28th. I've had this on my countertop. I'll flip it over. I'd have them sitting on my countertop since August. I have not frozen them. I have not refrigerated them. I haven't done anything with them. They are still like nothing's wrong with them. They're hard, but there's no mold. Nothing. I've had these since August of 2025. Take that how you want.